Hey everybody, it's Keith and Bob CNC here to make an announcement with Robert.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
we started a Zoom meeting,
yeah,
which is really cool.
went pretty
Everybody showed up.
well. Well, you didn't show up.
No, I wasn't invited.
He goes to bed early.
Yes, I do.
Can
I-
never make it.
Like what? 6:37.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one of the guys asked a question about the IOT switch to turn the spindle on for the KL7.
Yes, IoT, for those that don't know, means
Internet of Things.
yeah.
I didn't come up with that.
No, you didn't. It
Yeah.
doesn't mean a thing to me.
Well, it's just a switch. It's a way
Yeah.
to turn 5-volt power, to relay it through to the 110-volt power.
Yep.
Now, first, I want everybody to understand that we don't add this to our kit for a reason. If you connect these wrong and something goes bad, your spindle can come on when you don't want
Like
it to.
you're changing a bit.
Yeah, like if you were holding
that
on to
wouldn't
the
be
pin.
good.
Yeah, that would
No.
chew up your fingers pretty fast.
Yeah.
Really fast, actually. Yeah.
Yeah.
Pretty quick. Yeah.
Right.
You wouldn't even notice until your finger was all hamburgery.
Yeah.
So, but anyway, the bottom line is for those of you that have read the articles on our website that maybe Greg put out, you can actually connect an IoT switch, and then you have to hook some commands up to turn your spindle on and off. So
Right.
the on command is M3, the off command is M5. However, on the KL7, it's not quite that simple, as I discovered this morning, which I'm sorry, Eddie, I was supposed to discover several months ago, but I'm old, I forgot. But on the KL7, on the IoT switch, there's one more thing, and maybe I can get Greg to update his article, but you also have to set the spindle speed. So if you just say M3 and the spindle speed 0, it won't come on. So it's on digital pin 11, so it's in between those home switch pins. And then, so your command to turn the spindle on would be M3S1000, because our max RPM speed is really 1000, unless you change your max RPM speed. Now, somebody's going to ask, could I go do a variable speed spindle also? Yes, but it can't be the Makita router. You would have to have a VFD type or a different type of spindle. Or there is a way you can tear apart your Makita and modify it and make it do that.
I need to go to bed.
Okay, you're already getting tired of
I'm
this.
getting tired, Bob.
So, well, the bottom line is I told Eddie I would answer his question, so I did.
Yes, you did.
M3 2000 on pin 11.
I love working with you because you answer questions so thoroughly.
Okay, well,
It's wonderful.
I'm done now.
Anyway, till next time, guys, thanks a lot.